Here goes. Easy does it. Wow. Look, a big bucket. What could be inside? I can reach it just a little further. Almost got it. Berries! Hooray! Good job. Look over there. What is it? Quiet, both of you. Something's here. Beck, beck. Must pull harder. Let me try. I almost had it. Better luck next time. Something is here. What is it, Catty? A carrot top. It is. Good job. Quack. Tee-hee. Not food. Look what I found. Wow, it's so shiny. Great teamwork, everyone. Oh, no. Don't worry. Try again. Okay. Wow, look at all this corn. I'll be the first to the top. Corn, corn, corn. Look at all this yummy corn. Let's eat it all. Wee. Oops, oops. I'll just peck this leaf. Wow, it's strong. This is quite the struggle.
Need a paw?
Quack. Yay! I did it! Wow. Look what I found. Oh no! Let me help! Thanks, Cat. I found something. Ooh, what is it? My turn, my turn. Keep digging. We almost have it. Careful. Yes, pull harder. It's moving. I've got it. Hooray! Well done, little one. My Help me drag this. I found a berry. I'll get the last seeds. Let me help you. Just a little nudge. Oh, thank you. Be careful. You've got it. Take your time. We're almost there. Look what I found. What is it? Let's cook with these. Look at this. We have more than enough. Yes, so much. Hooray! Slurp. Quack. This is excellent water. Agreed. Flop. Splash. Another one. Eek. Oh my. Got me. Look, I'm using the leaf like a spoon.
That's so clever.
How delicate. Very good. Rub it like this. See the mud come off? Wow, that's amazing. You're so good at this, teacher. Wow, look at this leaf. It's so big. I wonder what we can do with it. Pulling, pulling. Oh, no. Whoa. Are you all right? It sprung back. I'll get it, don't worry. Ew. Hee hee. Be careful, little ones. I hate corn. Absolutely not! But they're yummy. Please, just try one. Nope, never. Oh, I don't get it. Berries for sweetness. Yes, Chef. And roots for flavor. Excellent choice. Finally, corn. We're ready. I found this, but I can't open it. What is inside? Oh, I hope it's not bugs. Oh, I can't get it open! It's all right, Duckling. Let's think about this. Push. We've got this. I helped. Look, it's powder. I found it. Come on. You're doing great. Yay, you've got it. Here, let me help you. Wow, thank you.
Rub, 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 rub.
Nothing. Faster, faster. Still nothing. Wow. Oh my. It's working. We did it, yay. Oh, it's so bright. That's close enough, sweetie. Oh, wow. Remember to be careful. Okay, let's push. Just a little further. Careful, it's wobbly. All right, it's good now. Warmth. Okay, here goes. Easy does it. Wow. Look, look. Great job. Let me stir. Yay, it's ready. Time to eat. Ooh, yum, this smells great. Let's get this cooking. Smells so good. Oh, try this. Pretty bubbles. Just right. Careful, hot.
Whoa.
Let me help? Yes, Chef. I understand. Understand what? The pot language. Oops. Be careful. Almost ready. Ooh, I can't wait. Hurry up. Hot, hot, hot. Here, a fan. Oh my, are you okay? Perfect. Together, slowly. Easy there. We made it. Oh my goodness.